Alright, our next step is to find an MC. With the Refugee Ball last year, we were lucky to have connections to David Smeet, who was a comedian at the time and still is, and it was purely half luck but also half networking. One of our organisers worked at Marble Bar in the comedy on the comedy night, and basically just asked David whether he'll be interested, and it was an immediate yes. So finding an MC might not be as easy as you think it is. It really is through asking as many people as you can and through networks. So do ask friends, family, anyone who's done it before. To things to look out for in MC is someone who can be funny, speak well, and just try and make the night as enjoyable as possible. So David had a really good sense of humour, in line with the crowd as well. And so, I guess to find an MC, I suggest the first thing you do is ask as many people as possible. Even just rocking up to a few, stand-up comedy shows and possibly asking the comedians there whether they'll be interested. A lot of new comedians want to get their name out there, and if you sell it to them that it's for a charity, that there'll be lots of politicians or famous people. They usually are very supportive, but do try to book your MC in advance. At least 3 to 6 months in advance, because a lot of them do have shows scheduled throughout the year. One thing that once you have an MC confirmed, it's very important that you stay in touch with them. Give them a call every now and then, confirm they have the right date, and the week before the event, give them a pretty detailed rundown of what's happening, and then on the night, meet up with them early, maybe 30 minutes to an hour earlier, and talk them through the run sheet so they know exactly what to say and when, and gives them the best way to run the night. And that's about it. One thing to be conscious of is to keep the MC on track during the event. Your job is to basically be a timekeeper. So 5 minutes before the MC needs to get up, go sit next to him, remind him to get up, and just keep reminding him for different things such as promoting various wines or promoting what's happening on the night. David did a great job last year, and he was very supportive of having a charity event under his belt. And also, last thing, to keep the good MCs in touch, we did a testimonial for him to put on websites, and giving him that support is very useful, and hopefully is an incentive for him to keep doing it.